In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 ways you can promote your content to get maximum reach for everything that you create so that it also has a better chance of winning the first page of search results. By the way, my name is Clint. On this channel, I give tutorials on things like content marketing, SEO, web design, and more. So if that's you, if that's your jam, consider subscribing to stay updated when new content comes out. Here is about how long it takes to make the average high-performing article, according to some blogger research from Orbit Media. Basically, it's about 7.5 hours, with around half the time dedicated to actually writing and editing, and the other half coming from research and image preparation. But notice the small 3% called influencer collaboration. Well, that little bit can make all the difference when it comes to promoting your content, building your network, and establishing your content marketing strategy. And there are 3 main things that you need to do to ensure that you have fully promoted your content. Number 1, collaborate with other marketers or subject matter experts. Your article needs quote contributors. A quote contribution is when you reach out to someone with 1 to 3 questions related to your upcoming blog post and ask if they would be willing to give a quote that adds more value or depth to your subject. You should tell them that you will feature their quote, their headshot, and link back to their website. Here is how I usually reach out. Hey X, I am finishing up a blog post on Y and was wondering if you would be a quote contributor on the topic. I would love to know your thoughts on X, Y, and Z. Those are the questions, by the way. If you're open to it, please share your quote, your headshot, and the URL of the website you would like me to link back to. I'm hoping to post this on X. Hope to hear from you soon. Your name. This is important for a few reasons. It makes your content better. Having a diversity of perspectives makes your content more complete, and thus makes it more authoritative. Who knows, you might just also learn something. It also builds your network. Marketing and content creation should not be a lonely game. It is much easier to guest blog for someone when you have already featured them in your article. It's the reciprocity principle. People are more likely to give when someone else has given them something first, even if it's something small. The best marketers have a large contact list of people that they can reach out to for topics. And last is that it helps with content promotion. When you feature someone in an article, you can tag that person on social media, and they are much more likely to share it with their audience too. You just doubled your social promotion by including at least one person in your article. As my marketing mentor Andy Crestodina says, an ally in content creation is an ally in promotion. Oftentimes, you can reach out to these people by messaging them on LinkedIn or by looking up their email on the contact page of their website. Number 2, you have not fully promoted your content unless it has also been shared on social media. Whatever social media platforms the majority of your audience is on is where you should share and promote your content. It's free and it can give an initial boost needed to gain traction in search engines and in your industry. Share it with a provocative headline, image, and/or video, and link to the full article. Number 3, you need to share your blog post with your contact list. Your email list can be a powerful way to increase content traffic. These are people who have already loved your stuff enough to subscribe to your newsletter, so why not share other stuff that can help them out?
Perhaps you're right.
This helps past customers remember you for future opportunities, or it can remind tire kickers that you are an expert on a problem that they still have not solved. Either way, it's another free way to ensure that your content is getting the largest reach needed to be effective. Basically, the work of content creation does not stop when you hit publish. It ends when you have fully promoted the content. If you want my free SEO guide and checklist for this and my other courses that cover all the stuff I talked about in this video and more, then click the link in the description box and download it for yourself. If you want to see the next part of this course, go ahead and click the next video here. Go ahead and click that next video. Go ahead, come on, just click the next video over there. I think that's where it's going to be because it's inverted. Thinking with my brain, my human brain. Go ahead and click the next video. It's going to be fun. You're going to love it.